Hi, and welcome to today's webinar on setting up a Facebook location structure. I'm Evan, I'm a content writer at PinMe2, but today I'm also the owner of an imaginary chain of coffee shops, which Malin, our location marketing expert, will be helping me set up a location structure for, and helping me figure out how to maximize my reach on Facebook for. Are you ready, Malin?
I am. Let's go.
Let's do this. Okay, Malin, how should I put my chain of coffee shops on Facebook?
So to maximize exposure and to be relevant in search, the first thing is that each location should have its own page, and then all of these pages should be set up in a location structure. And the location structure looks something like this. So you have your brand page where you market company-wide media and spread brand awareness, and then you have a page for each physical location where you can keep the neighborhood up to date on local happenings. These location pages will show up on maps and in the location section on search, being relevant to all users trying to find your coffee shops.
Is there a minimum or maximum amount of locations I need before I set up a location structure?
No, we would recommend anyone who has 2 or more locations to set up a location structure to better manage their locations.
So why is having a page for every one of my locations better than just having one page that I can post about all of my locations from?
So I would say the top argument is engagement. Now people will be looking for your locations online whether you wanted to or not. It could be a first-time visitor looking for opening hours or maybe directions. It could be a regular looking for a deal, or it could be someone wanting to leave a review. And if you don't own these pages that are created, then you have no idea what's being said about your brand. And then there are 2 awesome features that are enabled with having the location pages. So the first one is people will be able to tag your locations on Instagram. Awesome. And then the second one is local awareness ads. They're created to be cost effective and to help reach new customers in your local neighborhood.
Okay, you convinced me. I will set up a Facebook page for every one of my locations. What do I do after that?
So the next step would be to set up a location structure. And the structure will help the system to understand that all these pages belong to one brand. And it will also yield better search results for users, and it will also open doors to tools that will help optimization and reporting regarding your pages.
Alright, I've got a location page for each of my locations. I have those pages set up in a structure. What do I do now?
So now we have a great foundation for exposure, and we want to continue on that track. So the next step is to set up a strategy for posting. Now, depending on the industry, you may want to post about news. It could be general news or news regarding your company. There may be deals you want to share with your customers, or it could be job opportunities. As a customer, you want to feel close to the business and you want to know what's going on where you are. You're not interested in what's going on across the country.
Okay, so if I'm understanding this right, then the location pages are for posting info that's relevant locally, and the brand page is for posting stuff at a higher level, like news or organizational things that matter to the brand.
Exactly, but the most important thing is to publish organic posts to every single page. This will increase your organic reach significantly compared to just mirroring posts.
Thank you for tuning in, and thank you, Malin.
Thank you. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.